Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best fondant kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting tools for any home baker looking to elevate their creations from simple desserts to show-stopping masterpieces, allowing for intricate designs and smooth, professional finishes that are sure to impress your friends and family at any occasion. Number 5. RFAQK 74 PC's Icing Piping Bags and Tips Set. Ready to create stunning cakes? This comprehensive set has everything you need to start decorating like a pro. It includes numbered tips, pastry bags, and helpful guides for beginners. Crafted from durable stainless steel, our set features 48 unique piping tips. Explore a variety of styles to create beautiful and intricate designs that will impress everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this set makes decorating easy. The numbered tips and included pattern chart booklet help you choose the perfect tip for any design. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile decorating set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion. Surprise your loved ones with a gift that inspires creativity. We are committed to your satisfaction. Our high-quality products are backed by excellent customer service. If you have any issues, we'll resolve them within 24 hours. What we like? This set is perfect for beginners who want to learn cake decorating. The numbered tips and pattern chart make it easy to choose the right design. If you are just starting out and want a comprehensive kit to guide you, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This fondant kit is great for beginners. It has all the essential tools you need to get started. The cutters are sharp and cut through fondant cleanly, making intricate designs easy to achieve. The rolling pin is non-stick and the perfect size for fondant, ensuring an even thickness every time. Number 4. Prestee 12-inch anti-burst piping bags, set of 200. Crafted from durable, food-grade plastic, these 12-inch bags resist bursting. This ensures a smooth icing application for all your pastries, cakes, and cookies. The exterior features a textured surface for a secure grip, enhancing your control during decorating. The smooth interior allows icing to flow effortlessly. Designed for use without tips, these bags simplify the decorating process. They are ideal for intricate designs and make cleanup a breeze. Use these bags for decorating your cakes. They accommodate a variety of frosting types and quantities, suitable for detailed work or covering larger surfaces. This set includes 200 disposable bags, providing ample supply for all your baking projects. They are perfect for both professional bakers and home enthusiasts. What we like? For those who prefer a simpler decorating process and easy cleanup, these tipless bags are a game changer. If you're looking for convenience and a secure grip for intricate designs, this large pack ensures you're always ready for any project. What people say. The fondant kit is a great value for the price, offering a comprehensive set of tools for cake decorating. It includes various cutters, smoothers, and impression mats, allowing for intricate designs and professional-looking finishes. The tools are made of durable, food-grade plastic that is easy to clean and safe to use. Number 3. Gawren-H&E 678 PCS Cake Decorating Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need for cake decorating, from baking to serving. It includes a wide variety of tools to bring your sweet creations to life. Transport your delicate cakes with ease using the secure and portable carrier. It's designed to keep your baked goods safe and sound, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this set has you covered. It's perfect for creating cakes for birthdays, weddings, or any special event. Crafted from high-quality, FDA-compliant materials like stainless steel, silicone, and food-grade plastic, these tools are built to last and are easy to clean. Go beyond cakes. This kit also includes molds for chocolates and stamps for fondant and cookies. Let your creativity flow with endless decorating options. Explore a world of designs with 74 different piping nozzles. From intricate patterns to beautiful flowers, you can achieve any look you desire. What we like? This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for bakers who want everything from creation to transport. If you need a complete set that covers baking, decorating, and even carrying your cakes, this kit is designed for maximum convenience and versatility. What people say. The fondant kit is a great value for the price, offering a comprehensive set of tools for cake decorating. It includes various cutters, smoothers, and impression mats, making it versatile for different designs. The tools are made of durable material and are easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting use. Number 2. Bakerpan 47PC Fondant Tool Set. Introducing the Bakerpan Fondant Tool Set, your all-in-one solution for stunning cake creations. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to bring your sweetest visions to life. With 47 essential pieces, including cutters, plungers, a rolling pin, and modeling tools, you'll have endless possibilities. Each tool is designed for durability and ease of use, ensuring a smooth decorating experience. Crafted from high-quality, food-safe materials, these tools are built to last. Enjoy effortless release and perfect shapes every time, from delicate flowers to intricate designs. Decorating has never been easier. Simply press, cut, and shape your fondant or gum paste for beautiful results. Cleanup is just as simple, so you can focus on enjoying your creations. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this set is perfect for you. Elevate your homemade treats for birthdays, weddings, and any special celebration. What we like. If your focus is on intricate fondant work and sugar paste creations, this set is tailored for you. It offers a wide array of specialized tools for shaping and cutting, making it perfect for detailed sugar craft enthusiasts. What people say. This fondant kit is perfect for beginners, with easy-to-follow instructions and all the necessary tools included. The fondant itself is smooth, pliable, and has a great texture, making it easy to work with for intricate designs. The kit comes with a variety of vibrant colors that are true to their shades, allowing for creative and beautiful cake decorations. Number 1. 137 PCS Pink Cake Decorating Kit. Discover the joy of cake decorating with our comprehensive 137-piece kit. Perfect for beginners and seasoned bakers alike, it includes everything you need to create stunning desserts. Our kit features numbered piping tips and a pattern chart, making it easy to choose the perfect design. An included ebook guides you through every step, from baking to frosting. The revolving cake turntable ensures smooth decorating for both right and left-handed users. Achieve flawless icing from every angle with its easy-to-use design. From scrapers and nozzles to a cake cutter and flower lifter, this set has all the must-have tools. You'll love mastering new decorating techniques and sharing the fun. Whether you're adding lettering or intricate swirls, our fondant tools make decorating cupcakes, pies, and desserts a breeze. Create beautiful edible art effortlessly. This set includes 63 high-quality stainless steel piping tips, covering a wide range of designs. They come neatly organized in a reusable storage case for your convenience. Use the 14 flexible fondant molds to easily print graphics and patterns directly onto your cakes. Elevate your DIY cake creations with these versatile decorating accessories. What we like. This kit is fantastic for anyone wanting a smooth decorating experience with a focus on stability and guidance. If you appreciate a reliable turntable for easy cake rotation and detailed instructions to elevate your skills, this set is a great option. What people say. The fondant kit includes a variety of essential tools for cake decorating, such as smoothers, cutters, and impression mats. The silicone molds in the kit are flexible and easy to use, allowing for intricate designs to be created with fondant. The fondant cutters are sharp and precise, making clean cuts for uniform shapes and decorations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.